Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panter. Today we're going to check out some Synthwave retro special effects in Midjourney. Now there's a specific prompt in Midjourney which is called the Vaporwave. You can see it right here that is going to generate these images with the orange, pink and purple color combination, and basically it's going to give you these moody results. That was basically the old school futuristic style from back in the 90s and 80s. Here, for example, you got like streets of Tokyo, sports car in middle of the streets, a vaporwave. Now, if you try to combine, even with more prompts, like more detailed prompts, and you enter at the end the retro wave, it's basically gonna look less retro because it's gonna be like more precise. So in this situation, we get like fashion model in urban clothing sitting on top of a building in Tokyo. So if you describe it in these details, then it will reduce that vaporwave special effect. If you add something less descriptive, then it's gonna increase the vaporwave special effect. There's like another example, fashion model in urban clothing sitting on top of the building in Tokyo. Again, it's just gonna add like some pink, purple clothes. These, in the other hand, they're like really retro looking, and of course anime cartoon style in high resolution, because check this out, I also upscaled these and look how good they look. Some of these look pretty decent. This one actually looks pretty good. This prompt is a vaporwave car. That's it, and it's gonna add all details that he wants. You got here upscaled, does a pretty good job, and then we got portrait of a model in sunglasses vaporwave. Look at that, super cool resolution, retro style. You got the pink purple color combination. You can see it upscaled, pretty detailed, pretty nice. So this is how I make really detailed photos. Vaporwave car again. I also tried it out with Vaporwave poster design, retro party, and it's pretty interesting. And I also tried out, you got cyberpunk model, Synthwave, this time 90s. This is a different one. This is gonna give you like similar results. And then we got Synthwave cityscape. They look pretty nice. Can't complain. Now these are like repetitive. You get like the palm trees, you get like the sunset, the same color nuances, futuristic, retro futuristic. And here we got upscaled this portrait also, and here we got introduced also the cyan blue, which makes it look pretty nice. So these are some of the prompts and the vaporwave theme style. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.